Let me tell you why me stop date Jamaican men. Me stop date Jamaican men because I realize that Jamaican men don't have respect for women. Jamaican man don't want open door for woman. Jamaican men, when they have birthday, they don't want do nothing for you. They don't want give you nothing. And 99.9999999% of Jamaican men, yeah, and we all live good, comfortable and happy. And as soon as they get knocked up, you get pregnant, then the member say, I can live nice and happy. But then we're going to find a woman out the road where now they not talk for them. And the woman will tell them say they're pregnant. And them jump and start mind the picnic them. And most of the time, the outer road picnic with them a mind a jacket. Because yeah, Jamaican men, them love mind jacket. So yeah, that's one reason why you not get me for date a Jamaican man. I don't want a Jamaican man for my man. Because at the end of the day, them abusive and them bad mind and red eye, and most of them these days they want to be transmission. So that's the next reason why me don't want no Jamaican man who can beat me.
Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is your girl Shaq. I hope y'all are doing well and are ready to argue in the comment section.
I am convinced that dating in Jamaica and dating a Jamaican man can be one of the most toxic experiences of your life. Because I feel like, say, people in our secret competition with them partner to see who can out toxic the other one just to prove that them love them. Because all you mean say, you cheat on the woman, she find out and now you have fight her for don't leave you. Like if you didn't want her for stay, you would have never cheated in the first place. Me feel like say them do them things here not because them want love and validation from the person with them cheat with, but because them want them partner to go out on a limb and display how much them actually love them. Like them feel like say, if me give you a bun and you find out and you don't fight for me, that means say you don't love me. Bridget, we need therapy. We need therapy because all you mean say you cheat on the woman, she find out and now you bully her and a fight her because she decides, you know what, me I go left. Make the other woman keep you. Bridget, we need help. We can't keep on a behave. So, and then now when the woman crash out and run you over with her car, you go here say, because she emotional. Bridget, now you set up the play, you know? If you need love, Bridget, go make your mother hug you or something.
I know for sure some of y'all are gonna argue in the comment section, but listen, to each his own. We've been hearing this for a very long time, and recently there's been an increase in stories and experiences around dating and, well, going into a relationship with Jamaican men. You know, the same way they put out the travel advisory reports saying that, hey, these are the places you really shouldn't travel to as tourists. There's now a global memo about staying away from Jamaican men. Now, I'm not going to do much talking in this video because there's a lot for you to hear, but let's get into it.
Overseas ladies in the UK, in America, in Canada, let me hold your hand while I say this. Don't come to Jamaica, come look for a man. Don't come to Jamaica and look for a man. Don't meet Jamaican men online. Not on TikTok, not on Facebook, not on Instagram. Let me tell you the play. I live in Ocho Rios, and 90% of the single men in Ocho Rios are gigolos. They stay on the prowl. If they hear a hint of an accent, they come in with the love bombing. And let me tell you what Jamaican men love bombing looks like. It's not expensive dates. It's not trips. Their love bombing looks like, let me cook for you.
Actually, some of them cheap, but they're not really gonna go out and spend the money, take you out, you know, things men are supposed to do. No, they catch you with, let me cook for you. For real.
Every one of them can cook. And they take you home and they introduce you to the family. And the mother extend her arm and she hug you. Oh my God, so nice to meet you, my daughter-in-law. You know that he don't bring anybody home. You're the first woman in bringing home. They're all in on it. Mm-hmm. Even them baby mother is down for whatever because she knows she's going to enjoy the proceeds when you start to mine him. So let me be clear. If you are looking for some D, a good time, slam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, then get with a Jamaican dude if you can control your emotions. But if you are looking for love, if you're looking for intimacy, if you're looking for emotional attachment, don't come here. Don't look them. Listen, you're gonna get some heartbreak. You're gonna get some type of heartbreak. Will lead to some type of insanity. Will lead to disability. I'm not asking, I talk from experience. Don't do it.
Listen, I know she's right when she says some of the moms are actually in on it for real. Like they actually do that. And technically, a moral of her story, you can use them as a toy, but don't get emotionally attached.
And let me tell you why. They cheat, they lie nonstop. They are so good at gaslighting you. Their egos are so big and they like to have them fed. And they are smooth talkers and charmers. I have always been attracted to West Indian men, especially Jamaican men. I have been to Jamaica more than a dozen times, but don't get it twisted. It's not to look for a husband or a boyfriend. I love the country, the people, the food, the culture. Not looking for a partner. I have had lots of experience with Jamaican men because I do meet them and I do like them and I guess they like me. And so it happens. I'm beginning to see a pattern with these men that I thought as a foreigner I would have a different perspective, a different experience. But as it turns out, it looks like I'm having the same experience as many Jamaican women. This cheating and lying nonstop. It's so common that a male Jamaican friend once told me that it's so common that it's accepted, it's almost widely accepted by both men and women in the culture. Which makes me sad because Jamaican women are so strong, they're so fierce, they're so beautiful that I would never think that they would accept something like that. But obviously, I do not have the same culture. So there are things that I will not understand about how the culture works. And maybe they don't. Maybe they don't accept it. Maybe this guy was full of shit, like the rest of them. Connection to that is they are smooth talkers and charmers. They will tell you, oh, you're the only one in my life. I want you to be my wife. I want to have your children. I will do anything for you. I will marry you tomorrow. Ladies, especially foreigners, take it with a grain of salt. Listen to what they say, but don't believe it because it's not true. A wise friend once told me, what the hell could a man possibly want from a foreigner when they have all these beautiful Jamaican women in Jamaica who they can fuck every day if they want to?
Because a lot of the women in Jamaica already know this. They know what they are and what they're after. So it's harder for them to get women with their heads screwed onto their bodies in Jamaica because they know straight up that you're full of, you know what I mean? So they tend to focus on the foreigners who don't really have the preconceived notion of them being full of, right? A lot of these women overseas are naive and they think, oh my God, this man loves me and he's going to be the world and he's going to do everything for me. And most of the times it's not true. Based on what most women are saying, it's not true. I'm not fully qualified to talk about this because I am married to a Jamaican. You know what I mean? So let's just X me out of it.
Who can make food for them every day if they want to? What would they want with you who's from a different country? Yes, you can tell me, oh, it's a different connection between us. It's a special connection. But really, think about it. They have such big egos and they like to have them fed. Here's an example. I was talking to a Jamaican man and his ego was so big. And he liked the idea that somebody, me, had strong feelings for him, who was in love with him. And so no matter how toxic he must have known he was, and how much he knew he must have been hurting me, he wouldn't let me go. He kept trying to pull me into him again and again and again because he knows that it makes him feel good knowing that I would come back and that I would still have the same feelings for him.
That specific piece of the story that she's telling, it's true. I don't think this is just in reference to Jamaican men. I think just men overall. You have a lot of men who they'll be in a relationship with you and then they know they're hurting you. They know they're not treating you right. They know that you can do better, but they refuse to let you go because, it's some conquest or it's an ego boost for them to know that, oh, I have her wrapped around my little finger, or she won't leave, she'll come back. And I've heard other women talk about it, not specifically related to just Jamaican men, but men overall. Like you have some men who deep down, they won't want you. They just want to know that they have your head, or they just want to know that they can control you. I think that's what it is for some of these men. That part is actually true. And those are the worst men to be with, because you can tell based on how they treat you or the relationship, whether you're in the same place or it's a long distance relationship. And for most of these foreigners, this has been the experience they've been talking about online. They know deep down they don't want you, but they still won't let you go because they don't want someone else to have you.
I think that's what they do because it makes them feel good. Also, and this gentleman deserves a special mention. Although he's not Jamaican, he's Trini. I was engaged to this man a long, long time ago. He cheated on me with at least 10 women. And the only reason how I knew it was at least 10 women was that one of the women who he cheated with realized that he was cheating on her. So she sent me all the names of the other women. Now let me tell you something else about this man. He would come visit me here in Canada. And so he asked her to buy something for me that he could carry for me. And you know what it was? It was a mortar and pestle. Yes, a mortar and pestle. We're talking #1 classic guy here, ladies. Jamaican men, you know, they're good as friends. They're good to have drinks with. They're good to hang out with. They're good to be a pump, pump, pump. However, be very careful. Do not, and I repeat, do not let your hearts touch them with a 10-foot pole, because you're going to regret it. You're going to get yourself hurt. Learn from my experience. Learn from your past experience. Learn from all our mistakes and just set yourselves free.
Are you realizing that there's a common theme across all these stories? Yes, you can just use them as a toy, a bedroom toy, but not to fall in love with, not to have a relationship with long term, because they'll treat you like crap, or they'll cheat, or they'll just, I don't know, they'll hurt you. That's pretty much what all of these women are saying.
I am never, ever, ever dating a Jamaican man ever again. And yeah, I know, like, it's not all Jamaican men, but it's a damn big ass majority. All y'all think is what y'all, even the freaking songs y'all sing, it's all about this, that, bro. You ain't got nothing else to talk about. There's no reason why you just asked me to be your girlfriend today and you already want to you already asked me to be your girlfriend like an hour ago. And you already trying to feel up on me, talking about, oh, what's yours is mine, and my dick is yours, and it not mine. No, bitch, it's mine. What the talking about? Oh, now that we together, it not mine. Me can't touch it. Me can't feel. First of all, you horny as and it's unattractive as. Now I don't want you. Why are you trying to feel on me so quick? Like, bro, relax. Like, this how you know. Like, you must not get pussy for real. You must not get pussy because you fiending for the pussy like that ass. Like, I experienced this firsthand. Never seen a man fiend. He was fiending. Unattractive as fuck. Ew. The way, I guess he's used to like the fast pace, because the way he making it seem, the women in Jamaica must be busting it open like quick, like off the
lie.
Oh, you look so beautiful today.
Maybe true for the backroad people, them, or the muckers as they call them. So I don't know, maybe he's used to muckers. Yeah.
Bust it open. Oh, I want you to be mine. Bust it open. Oh, you just said it out. Bust it open. He making it seem like everybody in Jamaica just so easy, because you coming up here, as soon as you say that, it's either you think I'm dumb or everybody that you've been with is easy. I'm not busting my legs open for no freaking words, nigga. What the f? And no, just because I said yes to being your girlfriend does not mean my pussy or my ass belongs to you. What the f? It's mine. I don't give a f if we're married. If I say no, do not touch me, do not fucking touch me. This isn't Jamaica. This is America. I will call the fucking cops. You going way too fast. I'm not even the type of person that be yelling and screaming like this, but that pissed me off. I shouldn't have to say no to you 500 times for you to get the point. No means no. Horny ass. Like, that's all, like, damn, like, Man, I look for front. I'm looking for something real. I want to get married one day. I want to have kids, and I'm not giving up myself to you like that. Like, excuse me, and then I give myself up to you and you're a piece of shit that just wanted. Like, what? He talking about what if we get to know each other and it's a waste of time, because then what if we get to having sex and then it's not.
Bro, really? You know he ain't shit when he comes with that. Oh, let's not wait, because what if we wait and get to know each other and then we don't like each other? Really, nigga? Really? Kudos to her for having her head screwed on to her body. Because a lot of women out here dropping draws for words, and it's stupid.
Okay, nigga, what? First of all, you teach people that you want to be with how you like certain things if y'all know y'all serious. I'm not gonna give myself to you so quick, and then it's a waste of a body. Like, what? That pissed me the off. Like, don't touch me. I tell you no, don't touch me.
A lot of them don't understand the word no.
And to the girl that asked me about advice on dating Jamaican men because she thinks she's fallen in love. The best advice I can give you is to run. Run as fast as you can. Like the emoji in your phone, baby. Don't look back. Don't. Jamaican men is the worst. You'll find yourself in a mental home. If you don't have a strong heart or strong head, strong back, strong everything, it would never work, baby. Leave Jamaican men to Jamaican women. Even we can't manage it. We can't take it. So I suggest you don't look in that direction, baby. And trust and believe Jamaican men cheat. They all cheat. They all cheat. So don't go in that direction.
Is it true, ladies? You know, I feel like maybe some people just don't know. There's a big debate about this happening online, that all Jamaican men, well, at first people were saying all men cheat, and then it kind of got centralized around Jamaican men because we know they're horrible, right? A lot of them are actually horrible people. I know good ones, obviously. My sisters are also married for many years, you know, and we're all married to Jamaican men, good Jamaican men, okay? But you know what? Maybe the difference is finding one who's godly in church, who loves God, who, you know, lives by his word. Maybe that's the difference. I think there's a serious issue when it comes to Jamaican men and the Jamaican culture because it's taught, it's glorified for men to have multiple women. The whole gallus thing. People praise them, even their parents, their fathers. You're celebrated when you can say, oh, you know, I have this girl and that one over there and whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and blame Beanie Man for this. I think it's his fault. This girl in a bungle business. Y'all don't understand that there's a high percentage of people in Jamaica who are now contracting sexually transmitted diseases. AIDS is on the rise in Jamaica. A lot of y'all need to understand that, but because you don't think with your mind and you think with your small brain, a lot of y'all are contracting these diseases and then passing them around to everyone. This is also pushing the part of the culture where so many young girls, children are being essayed in Jamaica. It starts in the home many times. A lot of the fathers, the uncles, the cousins, a lot of them are molesting children. And this is not just about young women in Jamaica. A lot of young boys in Jamaica are also being essayed by family members. And if it's not family members, whether or not it's someone in the community, either way, the culture is contributing to a lot of these things and people don't talk about it. But anyway, that's going to be a whole other video because I recently saw some cases coming up in Jamaica and it's so heartbreaking. Children are being abused, essayed by family members, people in their community. And the worst part about it is a lot of the women in their lives, the aunts, the moms, they're covering it up and protecting these predators. But anyway, that's for another video. Let me know what you think about what these women are saying. Do you think all Jamaican men are like this? I mean, I don't think so, obviously. I've been married 12 years. One of my sisters has been married now, 16, 17 years. So obviously, I don't think all of them are like that. But it seems a mass majority reflect this notion. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. This is your girl Shaq and I am out.
If you're dating a Jamaican man and he has one of these names, trust and believe that you're getting bun. You're getting cheated on. And if you're not getting cheated on already, trust me, it's coming soon. Now, this is the extended version. I have made a list already, so you want to go and check if your man name is on there. So, Andre and Jermaine, you've made the list again, and Dirty Trevor. You lot are just rotten to the core. You have to be on the list all the time. Anyway, Fitzroy and Fitzroy, especially when they have the little hyphen in the middle, they are simply the takers. They will take everything from you. Devon, Danjay, Jevon, Dwayne, Stephen, Orlando, Alric, Jay, Brian, Anthony. Jesus Christ, especially Dwayne's. Dwayne. Anyway, let's talk about these one. You see these one? Them wicked, you know? Them wicked. Imagine say them have Bible name and them are some of the worst men. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Paul, Peter, Simon, David, Daniel, Samuel, Who else? The one of the Bible name. The whole of the Bible names. They are rotters. They are rotten to the core. And to think that their parents give them Bible name? Hey! Hellfire. Anyway, you know we're going to have to finish off the list with the big man them. Yeah. How could I forget about Winston, Delroy, Dave, Bill, Errol, and Desmond? Them big man, you know. I be a young girl they want. Me say, I can't stand them. There was another big man when me can't. Oh, wait, name again, man. I don't like a Norris. Because there was a Norris in my community, but he was a P-file. I don't like no Norris. Sorry, Norrises. Sorry.